traveling through the grass all day. Mama duck called, quack, come back. But only 4 little ducklings came back. 4 little ducklings splashed near a tree, quacking loud and feeling free. Mama duck called, quack, come back. But only 3 little ducklings came back. 3 little ducklings swam in a line. They splashed and played and felt just fine. Mama duck called, come back, come back. But only 2 little ducklings came back. 2 little ducklings played in the sun. They flapped their wings and had some fun. Mama duck called, quack, come back. But only 1 little duckling came back. 1 little duckling all alone looked around and found no home. Mama duck called, quack, come back. But no little ducklings did come back. Sad Mama duck went far and wide, calling out everywhere. Quack, 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 what a happy day. All 5 ducklings came back to play.
One, two, tie your shoe. 3, 4, knock on the door. 5, 6, gather your sticks. 7, 8, build it straight. 9, 10, count again. 11, 12, books on the shelf. 13, 14, playing outdoors. 15, 16, knocking on doors. 17, 18, flying a kite. 19, 20, stars shining bright. 5 little chimps were bouncing in the park. 1 tumbled off and hurt his knee. Mama called the doctor and what did she say? No more chimps bouncing today. 4 little chimps were having a blast. 1 slipped down and fell so fast. Mama called the doctor and what did she say? No more chimps bouncing today. 3 little chimps jumped up high. 1 flipped over and started to cry. Mama called the doctor and what did she say? No more chimps bouncing today. 2 little chimps giggled with delight. 1 fell down and gave a fright. Mama called the doctor and what did she say? No more chimps bouncing today. 1 little chimp was all alone. He bounced once more and gave a groan. Mama called the doctor and what did she say? No more chimps bouncing today. No more chimps bouncing today. No little chimps are bouncing in bed. They're tucked in tight with sleepy heads.
Hey friends, what comes after 1 and 2? 3. Great job.